What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and welcome back to part 4, which is the last part of token impersonation. So let's get right into it. All right, so in the last part, we left off right here. Yes, we located the Batman, and we also found out the MsCacheV2 of the Batman, which is the hash cache, or whatever you want to call it, which is the password. We need to crack this. So we're going to right click on it. We're going to click on copy selection. We're going to click on session. We're going to click on new tab, and we're going to type in the following command. So I'm going to drop this hash into a file called hash2.txt. And wait a minute, you're probably saying, Bernardo, but that's not the hash that you just copied. I know that. So we need to format this a little different for it to work using Hashcat. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to be using, Hashcat, to crack this. So we need to actually make some modifications to what we just copied over. So we need to type in $DCC2 $10240 hash, the name of the account that we're trying to crack, hash again, and whatever we copied over. And we're going to echo it into a text file. Okay. But I'm not explaining it correctly. Don't worry about it. There's going to be like a small little info bar right here breaking it down for you. So don't worry. So we're going to hit enter here. Excellent. So I'm going to run the following command. Hashcat with a parameter of M2100 because of the type of hash that we are going to be trying to crack. Parameter of -A0 and the name of the file. And we're going to point to rock you, and we're going to force it. We're going to hit enter. You're going to get this at the very bottom. It gives you some choices. Now, if you click on S on your keyboard, it gives you a status. So if you look all the way to the bottom, you see, not at the bottom, where it says restore point, got 1.02. You could constantly just type in S, hit enter again, and you're going to see that the restore point is going to be going up. Right now, it's 49.68% completed. Give it some time. Eventually, what's going to happen is you're going to get this. Great. If you look at the second line, the status, it says cracked. Yay, it cracked it. If you look above it, there goes the password. That's the password. Yeah, excellent. So now that we got this password of an account that we got within the web server, excellent. Let's take this password and do other things on the next video. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.